In the age of generative and agentic AI, many employees are uncertain about what these technologies mean for their roles, their data, and their future. That's why surveying your internal teams isn't just a smart move, it's a necessary one. It helps you hear their concerns directly, giving insight into what they fear, what they understand, and what they need to know. It also establishes a clear baseline across the organization, helping you understand who's already engaging with AI and who's still in the dark. Surveys reduce bias by broadening the voices involved in decision-making, not just relying on a few loud opinions. They create opportunities for employees to contribute data that can improve or guide internal AI models. Employees often identify security risks that leadership may not see, so more participation means fewer surprises. You can also use the feedback to build cross-functional AI teams that include more than just technologists. It fosters a new culture of transparency, where employees feel involved rather than dictated to, and ensures that leadership isn't the only voice being heard. Everyone, from interns to managers, has a seat at the table. Every piece of feedback becomes a learning opportunity to improve processes, tools, or communication. And as employees come and go, the habit of listening stays, helping future-proof your organization. In the end, creating space for every employee's voice isn't just good practice. It's the foundation of ethical, scalable AI adoption and the key to turning uncertainty into unity. Thanks for listening. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more insights on technology, AI, and human-centered design.